Well friends, here is problem number 24. So here this is the given figure and we have to find the mirror image of this given figure. And the four alternatives, I think you can see the four alternatives given. So in the previous example, how we solved? For example, this is the given figure. The mirror is placed like this. Then the mirror image of this figure will appear like this. What we said in the previous example, beginning part will become ending part and the ending part will become beginning part. So this can help to find the missing or the mirror image for this given figure. Okay, if you see the given figure, the beginning part contains a inclined line like this. Inclined line. Okay, this is inclined line and I am taking this as first part. First part, this is called first part and this is called second part, or you can say this as beginning part, this as ending part. Now in the first part, as I said, there is an inclined line and that has to come at the ending in the mirror image. Okay, now I'm having a shape like this at the beginning, a shape like this, and the gap between this is which is narrow, very narrow. The gap is narrow. So keeping this in mind, I will eliminate the options. So if you see the first option, here the beginning part is becoming ending part and there is an inclined line. So this may be my correct option. Now moving to second option, if you see here, yes, as I said, this is very narrow portion, but if you see in the second option, it is not narrow, it is broad. Okay, it is not narrow, it is broad. So this is the wrong option. Now moving to third option, in the third option, you can see that the ending part remains ending part. The ending part in the given figure remains ending part in the option. So this is wrong option. Now moving to last option, that is fourth option. In the fourth option, it is clearly seen that there is an extra line, which is this. There is extra line here. So this is not present in the given figure. So the fourth option is also a wrong option. Now we left with only first option, so that has to be the right option. So this is how we solve this example, by using the technique, that is beginning part will become ending part and ending part will become beginning part in the mirror image. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.